Hello friends, I am Anuj Paul. Welcome to my channel, Gyan with Anuj. Gyan means knowledge in Hindi language. I have started this channel to share knowledge and experiences with you all and hope you can relate to this and benefit from the same. In this video, I will talk about transitioning from an individual contributor or IC role to a people manager role. Like when I started my career, the IC career path was not established, and growing into a manager was the only established path. This is obviously a change for the better, where now we have a choice to either grow into an IC role, grow in an IC role, or manager role. I will share my, I'll share from my experience what I think is key to be successful as a manager, or in other words, what you should prepare for to excel in this people manager role. This is the part one of the video, and I'll try to cover the first three key aspects in my opinion. The first key aspect is knowledge depth, be it technical or in general subject matter expertise in the domain that one is working. The general perception is that managers need not be experts. It's okay to have knowledge at a high level. I'm fortunate to have interacted with a lot of senior leaders in the industry, and one thing I found common is the level of depth these leaders have. That, in my opinion, is one of the key reasons for their success. Now, attaining depth is not being hands-on coder or tester, right? If we talk of for the technology field, it's about the ability to dig deep when required, and ability to connect dots, build the understanding quickly. It's more difficult, because in an IC role you would be hands-on, so that's your core focus to build the competency. But as a manager, you have divided focus. You do have to manage people, manage projects, and at the same time maintain knowledge depth. So you have to really put conscious effort and continuous effort into getting the depth, right? The second key aspect that I want to talk about is having a passion for growing and guiding people. Like managing people may seem like a set of administrative tasks from the outside, but it surely is not. It requires a mindset change from me to we, right? Do do you get happy with the success of other people? Do you see your success in the success of other people? Do you have to do that every day? Now these are the questions we need to answer, right? And yeah, it's easier said than done, uh, because you really need to be passionate, and you need to work with people day in and day out to help them grow, guide them to success, own up their mistakes, and pass on the credits. So yeah, that requires passion, that requires you to be fully committed, um, to work with people. So having the passion to work with and for the people is a must to be successful in this role, in my opinion. The third key aspect that I want to talk about is, which all leaders, managers, all of us have to do time to time. It's the ability to provide feedback, right? We all have heard about constructive feedback. In my opinion, it's an acquired skill. Most of us are not good at it on day one, and we need to realize that and put an effort into learning the art of giving constructive feedback, right? Like feedback, in general has a negative connotation to it. Giving feedback is understood as telling someone their mistakes, what they're bad at. In reality, feedback is not a judgment, but an evaluation. So we don't tell someone they're bad, we tell them what they need to improve on. It's very important to understand that distinction to be able to provide the constructive feedback that the receiving individual can work on, right? And also at times, we do need to provide tough feedback. How can we do that without being rude or being disrespectful? The other person needs to still get the gravity of the feedback so that they can put in their best efforts. So maintaining that balance is what we need to learn. So giving constructive feedback, it needs a lot of effort and willingness to learn that and keep adapting to as you gain experience in this role. So these are the three aspects that I thought I will talk about in this video. There are obviously many other aspects, and I'll come up with the next videos, set of videos, and talk about them. Cool. So that's all for in this video. And I just started this channel, and we'll try to bring in similar career related and leadership related content, from sharing my experiences, sharing my thoughts, what I've learned over the years. If you find this helpful, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. I'm also available on topmate.io, and you can connect me for more specific guidance if you find this videos helpful, right? I'll put the link in the description. So till next time, bye and have a great day.